Hi there. Today, we'll learn how to access common areas such as the gaming room, gym, fitness room, and study room. Let's say you want to book the gaming room. Here's how you can do it. Go to the reservation website. Log in using your credentials from the user panel. Select the Relax section, then choose 6-5 Gaming Room. Pick a date and time that works best for you and your friends. Please note that everyone who will be present in the room must also have a valid reservation. Click Done to confirm your booking. On the day of your reservation, present your student ID or residency card to the concierge. The concierge will verify your information in the system. If everything matches, they will give you the key and keep your student ID until you return it. That's it. P.S. You can make a reservation only if you have an active membership in the Civic Association J13. Keep in mind, you are allowed to use these facilities for up to 12 hours per week.